Sabaydi, hello everybody. Today I'm gonna make some Thai papaya salad. I got request from Pat from Houston, Texas, and she want to know how to make a Thai papaya salad. That's why I make this video again, and really easy and simple. And if you want to know how to make a Thai papaya salad, please stay with Naly Kitchen, okay? I'm gonna show you all my ingredients. It's really easy, really quickly. I'm gonna chop papaya. I like to chop like this. It's way better than slice with the machine. Just slice like this. If you don't know how to do like this, you can slice with this kind of knife. It's more easy when you chop and slice like this, but it's too thin. I don't like it. I like the kind of little bit big piece, you know. A little bit more. You guys see that my ginger? I plant ginger for my mom. My mom always say I have a good hand. That's why I plant ginger for her. See, I think enough for me because I eat by myself. Yeah, that's it. Gonna leave there. I'm gonna clean this a little bit. Thai papaya salad today. I have some green papaya, and I add a little bit carrot because I want colorful, and Thai chili, garlic, peanut, dry shrimp, and sugar. This one is the coconut sugar, green bean, and lime, and tomato. Guys, the first thing I'm gonna add some Thai chili. Depend from yourself, you like spicy or not spicy. I like a little bit spicy. I add like 8 Thai chili, okay? And couple pieces of garlic, whatever you like. Smash a little bit. Okay, here you go. The chili, and after that I'm gonna add some green bean. Smash a little bit. Add some peanut. If you like peanut, you can add some peanut. If you don't, you don't have to. But that's original Thai. You have to have the peanut. Smash a little bit, okay? Done. And after that, I'm gonna add some coconut sugar, some sugar, regular sugar, sweet sauce. I add 2 tablespoons lime. I like to add some skin. It's more flavor, you know. And mix a little bit. Add some carrot and papaya. Okay. And dry shrimp. If you like dry shrimp, you can add but original Thai, they have to have a dry shrimp. Tomato. I I like to make a big piece because tomato, I like to eat tomato by itself too. I like to, it's really yummy. Look at that, you guys. Big guy, now it's mix everything together. Don't make too hot, okay? Oh my god, look guys, it looks so yummy. Don't smash too hard, just slow and kind of gentle, like this. Let me taste. Looks yummy. Oh my god, you guys. Little bit big sauce. You know guys, Thai papaya salad turned out a little bit sweet and sour. Oh my god, you guys, looks so yummy. Thai papaya salad from Naly kitchen, okay? Thai papaya salad is done. If you like to try some at home, please do. Let me know how it turned out for you. Very easy and quickly. Please follow Naly Kitchen, like and subscribe for me. See you next video, guys. Bye bye.